Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We are given f of x squared minus 1 over 2 equals x squared minus x. We're interested to find f of x, but looking at this problem, this is not a single valued functions. It's not one-to-one. We are getting two answers. One will be positive, one will be negative. But for the case of checking, which of these options are we going with? You can pause this video and give it a try. So let's solve this step by step. So from this domain, we have x squared minus 1 divided by 2. Suppose I let this one to be equals u. So I've replaced this with another variable. So the equation becomes f of u equals x squared minus x. But we have to express the whole of this in terms of u. So let's come back here. So if I cross multiply, we have x squared minus 1 equals 2u. And by making x squared the subject of the formula, we are going to have x squared equals 1 plus 2u. So I'm going to start this, and coming back to where we have f of u equals x squared minus x. So here we have x squared. If I replace it with 1 plus 2u, we have f of u equals 1 plus 2u minus x. Well, this x must not be here because everything must be in terms of u. Let's try to look at how we can get x. Again, we come back to x squared equals 1 plus 2u. From then, we are going to take the square root of both sides for 1 plus 2u. So taking the square root of this, we have plus or minus a. As square and square root cancel each other, we have only x equals plus or minus square root of 1 plus 2u. But I said earlier that this is not a single valued function. We have plus or negative a, but only one of it satisfies, and we are going to show how only one of it satisfies by putting a quick check of the answer we get. So let's replace this in f of u equals 1 plus 2u minus, so the x now is plus or minus square root of 1 plus 2u. So we are going to put this in bracket, and it is plus or minus square root of 1 plus 2u. By expanding this, we have 1 plus 2u plus times minus times plus, that is minus, and here we have minus times minus, this gives us plus. We have the square root of 1 plus 2u. So there are two solutions. So the first one is f of u equals 1 plus 2u plus square root of 1 plus 2u. And again, we have f of u equals 1 plus 2u minus square root of 1 plus 2u. So we are going to look at which of these really satisfy the is truly the answers. Is it the one with positive or the one with negative? So before proceeding, let's try to change this one to x, because u and x are both members of real number. We have f of x equals 1 plus 2x plus square root of 1 plus 2x. Why is this not a single valued function? Suppose I assume that x equals to 0. We are going to have two different values. We have this as f of 0 equals 1 plus 2 times 0, this gives 0, plus square root of 1 plus 0. So this is 1 plus 1, this gives us 2. When we check for the positive, And again, if we check for the negative, we have f of x equals 1 plus 2x minus square root of 1 plus 2x. So with the same value of x equals to 0, we get different answers. So suppose this is f of 0 equals 1 plus 0 minus square root of 1. And this gives us 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So there are two different outputs, 2 and 0. This is not a single valid function. But which of these is the solution to this problem? Let's try to verify. So let's put a quick check on the first one. Since we have f of x squared minus 1 over 2, and initially it was f of x. So anywhere we see x, we replace it with x squared minus 1 over 2. So with this we have 1 plus 2 into bracket of x squared minus 1 over 2, then plus the square root of 1 plus 2 into bracket of x squared minus 1 over 2. So this equals 2 cancel 2, and we have 1 plus x squared minus 1 plus the square root of, so 2 also cancel 2 here, and this gives us 1 plus x squared minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 also cancelled here. So this gives us x squared plus the square root of x squared. So for square and square root cancelled each other, we then have f of x squared minus 1 over 2 equals x squared plus x. And this does not give us the answer because the question says x squared minus x. And likewise, if we check for the second one, where we have f of x equals 1 plus 2x minus square root of 1 plus 2x. So replacing x with x squared minus 1 over 2, we have this as 1 plus 2 into brackets of x squared minus 1 over 2 minus square root of 1 plus 2 into brackets of x squared minus 1 over 2. So for 2 cancel 2, and we have 1 plus x squared minus 1 minus square root of 1 plus 2 also cancel 2 here. We have x squared minus 1. So for 1 cancelled 1, and also the one in the bracket cancelled each other. So we have x squared minus square root of x squared, that is x. So which shows that f of x squared minus 1 over 2 for the negative one is the only solution. So we hereby go for the second one with negative, not the first one. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.